Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to log in the Battlegrounds Mobile India by using with my Google Play Games login credentials, and it shows authorization revoked, and this message even also comes to me when I try to using the Facebook as well as Twitter login credentials. So how to fix this issue? And this problem mainly occurs for two possible reasons, and the first one is interrupted login. So for example, here I try to complete this login process by using with my Facebook, and it starts to communicating with Facebook server, but during this process if I try to cancel it, it shows that authorization revoked message. And the second one of the reason is maybe your mobile data network or Wi-Fi connection not working properly. So anyway, if you like to overcome this issue, just follow me friends. So first of all, repair this Battlegrounds Mobile India game resource files. So by simply press this option repair and tick to enable following options: routine repair and repair resources. So if you select this option, your game files are again tried to downloading, and this process may be consume some amount of data, so just remind it. And it asks for the restart process, so just do it. So after you done these processes and close this BGMI, so next you can check it if your Facebook, Twitter and Google Play games are up to date. So once you check it, and then open your settings menu and go to SIM cards and mobile networks. So here you can tap your mobile data connection SIM card. So I select Jio. So next you can click on this option access point names, and it shows that Jio's APN, but I try to reset these settings, and this process is completed, and close all the windows. At same time, if you are using the Wi-Fi network, first of all check your Wi-Fi router as well as fiber modem indicators if it is shows any warning signal or not. So if maybe it shows any red color signal, problem with your fiber cable, so just check it. So after I done these processes, and one more time I try to open that Battlegrounds Mobile India, because I check it if this trick works or not. So I try to complete the login process by using with my Facebook login credentials. But friends, now this time you can see my Facebook account is successfully logged in with this BGMI, and it doesn't show that previously occurred error message. So anyway, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, TechOns, and thanks for watching.